finally here at Movie World. We got Tom and Jerry on cam. Glinda.
Feels as good as you do.
There is a huge array of tropical and subtropical plants, and so you don't be on the south of the world.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Ayan lang breakfast namin. Shin ramyun. Tsaka coffee. Hindi kasi kami nakabili ng bread kahapon. Kasi hindi namin makikita.
Parang hilaw pa.
Sa Korea, Shin ramyun ng breakfast.
Kulang pa. Dalawa lang yung binili. Tatlo yung natin. Para sa ating tatlong yun.
Marami naman tayo.
Kaya nga, kuha ka kayo.
Kuha ka pa yan.
Alin, ito? Dalawa lang pa. Kaya ito lang.
Pero ay Shin ramyun. Hindi ko lang masabi. Sa Korea talaga kami, guys. Otherwise, kakain muna kami. And I'll see you in a bit. Pag-ready na kami or something. Guys, so we're ready. And ito lang yung fit ko. Simple lang. Tapos ayan yung pants. Ito rin yung sinuot ko sa Singapore, to be honest. Iba lang yung top. Tapos yung shoes ko ulit. Isa lang yung shoes na dinala ko. So, ayun lang. Tapos ayan, ito yung fit natin for our second day sa Movie World. And surprisingly, the weather is pretty nice. I don't wanna jinx it, but maganda ang weather. Anyways guys, we're gonna go now. Punta kami ng Movie World, if I mentioned earlier. Hindi ko alam kung na-mention ko na, but yeah, nandun na kami for the vibes again. Katulad ng Universal namin, for the vibes na naman. Ready for day 2! Saan yung hotel namin? Ano tayo yung show? Yeah, technically. Pero technically first day, pero
Kinik mo na.
So, we're just waiting for our Uber kasi nga, wala kami sasakyan di. May license siya, pero wala kami sasakyan.
Sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Guess who's here? Pero mukhang uulan. Yung hair ko, nasa face ko na naman. Ang galing. So, nandito kami sa Movie World. It was a 40-minute drive. Konti tao kasi, parang kasi, paulan. Look at that. Look at that, guys.
Ayoko sumakay dyan na. Gusto mo sumakay?
Eh, hindi ko alam. Parang hindi ko feel today. Hindi ko feel matakot at ma-scared. Tara! Maulan! Yan yung entryway, whatever. Guys, I said I was gonna ride that one, but now looking at it, parang ayoko na be.
10 feet away, she's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word in your voice. Now I'm not who I used to be. And maybe it's a good thing, got a good thing coming, it's a good thing. But when I
So we're finally here at Movie World!
we're not who we used to be, and maybe that's a good thing.
So we're planning on eating first kasi gutom na sila mama and we only had noodles for lunch diba? Sino? Si ano? Tom and Jerry! It's Tom and Jerry! It's Tom and Jerry, guys!
Pasok na sila, di natin na picture.
Okay, Tom and Jerry, bumalik kayo. Sana makita natin si Glinda today. Somewhere here. Okay, I was here exactly 6 years ago. I don't remember. Parang ganon. Mga 6 to 5 years ago. Dito kami. And now we're back. The hard part, guys, is deciding where to eat. Kasi naghanap kami ng pagkain, pero biglang may show.
Joker. Well, look who we have here, ladies and gentlemen. It's the boy wonder, here to save the day. Ooh, I'm so scared. Luckily for me, the Smiler.
Yan na acting. Slay! Napanood pala siya. Nagkatras ako. Akala mo na Toby. Akala mo na Toby na kapuli. Hey, see, this is quality entertainment right there. Sobrang init na sa side, but this is my food. Doon na lang kami sa may damo-damo kasi parang ang hirap kumain doon kasi may upuan nga pero napakainit naman. Nagsa-sunbathing ka na. Guys, this is the meal for the day. My God, I haven't had rice in so long. Ready? One, two, three. We're good. Thank you. Guys, we did some photo ops with Wonder Woman and Superwoman. Natala din ako gumaya sa susunod. Bakit pag ganyan ko? Gakrap kita. So, let's go. Gusto ko puntahan yung Wizard of Oz area nila to take photos. Honestly, we've been here for like 2 hours na, or an hour and a bit. And we haven't done any rides. But we'll see. Guys, magpapapicture kami kay Tom and Jerry. Sorry. Okay. Parang...
Oh, wow.
Thank you. Guys, we got Tom and Jerry on cam. That's going on my IG dump. So cute. Hinahanap nila B. Titignan niya kung asan yung camera.
Titignan niya ba?
Oo, kasi hindi ba kaya niya ginanong. Okay. Wala pa kami sasakyan. Puro picture. Ano? I've been there once. Ayan guys, nung matapang-tapang pa ako nung 12 ako, I rode there. Oo, nung matapang-tapang pa ako. Pero ngayon, I don't feel the courage within me. Now we're on the way to the Wizard of Oz thingy. Dito yung Wizard of Oz, ayun no. Bago lang kasi siya. Tapos sabi nga nila, bakit daw siya nakatago? Like, low-key. Ayan guys, Wizard of Oz. So this is the area that I think I was most excited about, which is the new Wizard of Oz section. Kasi ever since I watched Wicked, I've been obsessed with, or I've been into the Wizard of Oz Wicked lore. And itong bagong area na to, super na-excite ako. Kasi nga, hindi ako makakapunta dun sa Wicked version nung Universal. So at least dito, nakapunta naman ako sa Wizard of Oz. So pagpasok mo dyan sa Emerald Castle, may ano dyan, dalawang entryway para sa rides. So pinag-iisipan namin dyan kung gusto ba namin mag-rides. So ayang dalawang pinto na yan is papunta dun sa rides. Pero we didn't end up going. Nagpalamig lang kami dyan kasi di aircon. Guys, di ba hinahanap natin si Glinda kanina? Look who's here. Wait. It's Glinda! Look! It's Glinda! Guys, manonood kami ng Wizard of Oz. Nag-vlog ako kanina, bigla siya namatay. Hindi siya nag-record. Tumigil. Nag-ice cream kami ngayon.
Okay, sa scoop lang dahil.
One scoop. Kaya nga. We got cookies and cream. How? Pero sana hindi na lang umulan at all, but sabi, stress yung ulan. 11. Hindi lang nagbago na tayo. Okay. 11 eh, uulan daw. Pero ayan na siya, guys. It's currently what time? 5:17. Dapat umulan nung nasa ano kami. Nasa bubong. Nagpa-rain na nga niyo. Okay, nagpa-rain. Kasi kawawa naman yung nagpa-rain ng ulan. Ayan na siya, guys. Say bye-bye.
Bye to movie.
Bye. So sad. But we have one more day here in Brisbane. Gladstone. Brisbane, Gladstone. I mean, no, Brisbane and Gold Coast, I mean. One more day here. Kasi today is, ano ba araw ngayon? Today is Friday, pero sa Sunday ng umaga, pupunta na kami Gladstone, which is where I'm gonna see my cousins. It's only 6% na lang. Ayan natin. Ayan siya. My Christmas tree. How nice. Malulubat na to. So, if I get cut off.
Seoul, Korea.
Sa Seoul na pala kami. Seoul. Christmas tree. Christmas pa rin. Ayan na.
Milk tea ang gusto ko.
How nice. Anyways, guys, I completely forgot that I can do voiceovers. So let me know if you prefer me doing voiceovers or just text explaining you what happened or what we did. But ayun na nga, nagpunta kami ng Surfers Paradise mainly for the sole purpose of meeting my dad's friend. Actually, also, and then gusto na namin pumunta kasi we haven't been here in so long and it's one of like the places to go. And ayun, and we asked them if they know any Korean barbecue places, and ito yung recommend nila. And super happy ako on that there is a Korean barbecue place here kasi I haven't had rice since the day that we came to Brisbane, so I've been missing my rice so much. And yeah, so I had a nice dinner and it was nice talking to them too. Hi guys! So nakabalik na kami mga kani-kanina sa hotel. It's currently 11:38. Ayan. Minit namin yung friend ni Papa tsaka yung family nila dun sa Surfers Paradise. Pero hindi ko na na-vlog kasi lobat na yung mga cam. Nakita nyo naman yung Korean barbecue kumain kami kanina. I got this keychain from Movie World. Wala lang. Ito yung Yellow Brick Road ni Dorothy sa Wizard of Oz. Tapos meron lang siyang ruby slippers dyan. Bibili sana ako ng cup. Kaya lang hindi ko na-feel. Ito na lang yung binili ko. Yung keychain. Ang layo ng biyahe. Low-key. 1 oras na pa. 1 hour. So, ayun. Pagod na kami. And nalobat na yung mga cam. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga na-film ko actually. Kasi may na-film ako dito sa Canon ko. May na-film ako sa DJI. So, hindi ko na alam. But, yeah guys. Tomorrow na lang. Bye-bye.
Crazy like kaleidoscope. Blurring my vision, lead me on with invisible. Oh, you give me just enough to hold.